Welcome everyone to today's video where we will showcase the transformation journeys of our patients. So, this is our first patient who was struggling with baldness. Now, let's hear about his transformation journey in his own words.
Why QST? Why not go for others, right? Why QST? यही क्यों? The great ones like Rajpal sir, Daya sir, if you see the celebrities are also choosing. They have plenty of money. They can choose any clinic. Why QST clinic? Then there is a reason behind it, right? I looked out for the reviews in Google, so I eventually checked it out by looking at the reviews, by looking at the YouTube results. They were simply covering everything. अगर आप crown hair transplant पकड़ लो, forehead का पकड़ लो, आप temple design पकड़ लो, everything they were into detail and उनका result mind blowing है. अगर आप results भी देखोगे, काफी लोगों का crown hair transplant भी होता है, बहुत अच्छा सा result निकल के आता है. अगर आप 28 हो, 25 हो, 35 हो, 45 हो, 55 हो, results आपके लिए आएंगे ही आएंगे. And that is important. And in terms of the front line, बहुत अच्छा natural सा look आता है. Natural result is very important because अगर आप hair transplant करवा भी लिए and सामने से आकर के बोल दिए कि भाई तूने कुछ किया है, मेरे मम्मी के साथ डिस्कशन हो रहा था. So the next question, how you know how mothers are? पैसा कितना लगेगा? Right? बहुत ले लेगा क्या? राइट अगर आपको बहुत कम पैसों में दिया जा रहा है एंड यू आर नॉट चेकिंग अबाउट द रिजल्ट देन वो पैसा बेकार जाएगा राइट सो probably that is the reason you have to check the results. You have to check the credibility of the doctors. The technique which I have already mentioned and is there in the name, that is QHT, that is quick hair transplant, that has been used. And ये technique मैं पहले भी बता चुका हूँ and if you can ask any of the doctors or anyone, is the advanced form of FUE which they use it and it's a very well renowned technique and this have been following over the years. So as you can see it has been completed. Hey, hi everyone, my name is Sathagat Roy. Basically my age is 32 years old and today I'm here for my hair transplant. So I have started experiencing my hair loss journey at around 2015. So उस time पे I just passed out from my college and I felt कि ठीक है. And we all know, like after passing out of our college, our main focus is to get a job, right? So that is one. Now after getting a job, I started noticing back in my college time, तब भी I was seeing some thinning in my hairs. तो but that was not noticeable at that time. But आगे जाते जाते time बढ़ते बढ़ते वो बढ़ने लगा. Then I checked probably and I kind of neglected it, but it's fine. I said ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत hair loss तो चलता ही है. Then over the years, 2015, what I checked कि reason क्या हो सकता है. When I look back कि ऐसा क्यों है कि सभी का hair loss क्यों हो रहा है. It's just because probably the change of location, that would be one. Weather, then nutrients, food, everything. Because in our day-to-day life, we generally don't take care of our health and body and probably here is the list that we take care about. है ना? तो उस time पे again, it is all about after 2015. Then I checked कि ऐसा होने वाला है, ऐसा हो रहा है. Then what I did and what I noticed कि मेरा thinning और बढ़ने लगा. I see some bald patches, some thinning in my overall crown area, probably some hair losses in my overall temples. So उसके बाद I checked कि नहीं, इसके बाद I think I should do something. Then I thought of कि अभी तो कुछ करना चाहिए. Like for example, it started growing more in terms of thinning, bald patches coming on. And वो जो कहते हैं ना नुस्खा, so I started finding some नुस्खा in probably YouTube and Google. That is the only platform that we have where we check about नुस्खा. So what I checked कि हाँ, minoxidil is something which is also a kind of a chemical that we use for hair transplant. I mean for hair regrowth, not transplant, for hair regrowth. So what I did, I used minoxidil for a certain let's say for 2-3 months, but eventually I didn't get any result, to be very honest, because and that was without any prescription. And apart from that, I used nothing. I have never had any doctor consultation, nothing so far. So this is the first time I'm over here having a doctor consultation with QST, and I'm glad to be here. But at the same time, it's just that I'd never used something. But हाँ, उसके बाद if you see कि medicine and all is something that I could have used, but again without prescription, without doctor consultation, I would prefer not to use it. But again result नहीं था minoxidil use करने के बाद, तो कुछ फायदा नहीं हो रहा था. Then eventually and finally I had to decide that I should go for hair transplant and none other than to go for QHT. So सबसे important reason क्या होता है if you see in terms of someone getting a hair transplant. If you see for my case, I have to be very honest कि ऐसा कुछ खास प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, बट अगेन इट्स ऑल अबाउट सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, राइट? आई एम समवन, मेरा बचपन से, इफ आई हैव टू टेल यू वेरी ऑनेस्टली, आई एम समवन, आई हैड फुल हेड ऑफ हेयर, सो आई नेवर हैड एनी काइंड ऑफ हेयर थिनिंग or hair loss journey even till my mid 20s. So as such I never had any issues, but again if you see if you are going from any hair loss journey, then if you see when you go to any meetings, कोई शादी हो, कोई मीटिंग हो, कोई दोस्त के साथ मिलना जुलना हो, इवन इफ यू मीट योर फ्रेंड्स आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, they look at you and they see you and they talk about, hey, how are you, right? So for the same thing happened with me. So what happened कि मेरा भी ऐसा ही चला. जैसे ही मुलाकात हुआ, they started telling me that, hey भाई, तेरा तो थोड़ा बहुत hair loss दिख रहा है, it is happening, it is going. I mean, then I probably started also accepting the fact कि हाँ, this was not noticeable for me, it is also coming to the notice of others as well, which is kind of impacting me. Probably personally, professionally is fine, but again it's all about confidence, because I never had that. I wanted to be someone who always had full head of hair. So what happens कि अगर आपका full head of hair रहता है, if you are not suffering from any hair kind of losses, probably you can style your hair, you can go to any meetings, you can conduct any meetings with full confidence, you can go to any गेट टुगेदर्स, वेडिंग, एनीवेयर, तो आपको अच्छा लगेगा, राइट? बट एट द सेम टाइम अगर आप बहुत अच्छा ड्रेस पहन के जा रहे हैं, आप मिल रहे हैं, झुल रहे हैं, देन एट द सेम टाइम व्हेन यू सी समवन टेलिंग यू कि भाई तुम्हारा तो हेयर लॉस स्टार्ट हो चुका है, आई थिंक दैट इज फॉर एज फैक्टर, बट अगेन दैट इम्पैक्टेड मी. सो ये तो था थोड़ा बहुत, बट ओवरऑल देयर वर प्लेंटी ऑफ सिचुएशन दैट वेयर इन आई हैड टू फेस दिस सिचुएशन, बी इट अ मीटिंग, बी इट अ connect, be it anywhere, be it socially, where we used to attend any kind of weddings, probably friends ka party. So overall it kind of, though I'm a very confident guy, it is nothing to do with my confidence, but again having a head full of hair, it will enhance your confidence. So wahi karna tha, and that is the reason, or those are the reasons that finally led me to come over here and choose QST Clinic. So now the question may come to everyone's mind who is suffering from hair loss journey ki when is the right time, right? When is the right time for anyone to do a hair transplant? मेरे लिए, since I'm 32 years old, for me this was my right time. I feel like for someone who is suffering hair loss, probably if he is at the age of 28, maybe for him that is the right time. So I'll say there is no right time. If you feel like you are going from a hair loss journey, if you feel like your confidence is going down, if you feel like you want something change in your look or your dynamics, then go for it. Because देखिए simple सा बात है, अगर if you go for any medication, it will stop your hair loss journey for a while, but it will not eradicate for the long time. Hair transplant is something कि आपके लिए ये permanent procedure है, जो कि आपका लाइफ टाइम तक चलेगा, right? Medication is something 2 साल 3 साल चलेगा, fine, but at the end of the day, again if you stop the medication, hair loss will begin again. तो इसीलिए there is no right time, to be very honest. मेरे लिए, मेरे situations के लिए, मेरे circumstances के हिसाब से, for me this was the right time. आप देख लीजिएगा आपके लिए कौन सा right time होगा. For me, again, if you are 35-year-old, if you are 30-year-old, if you are 25-year-old, absolutely fine, no issues with that. But again, this is all about you getting your base look, getting your confidence back, getting to meet everyone in the room with confidence and smiling and booming again. So yeah, that would be my take on it. So yeah. So one thing I also observed while working in corporates कि ओवर टाइम कर लेने से वर्क जब प्रेशर ज़्यादा हो जाता है तो स्ट्रेस बढ़ जाता है. एंड दिस इज नॉट मी टेलिंग द फैक्ट, दिस इज साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन फैक्ट. एंड गूगल में आप जाओगे तो ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस होने से इफ यू सी यू विल सफर फ्रॉम हेयर लॉस. इट्स नॉट माई ओन वर्ड्स, इट्स देयर प्रूवन एंड इट इज बीइंग मेंशन्ड by the doctors. So since I am in corporate, since a lot of you will be in corporate, so probably for work-life balance ना ठीक होने की वजह से you will suffer from hair loss, and that has been that was something which I have been observing, and that is the same thing that happened with me as well. So late night shifts, lack of nutrition, not getting up on time, right? And having not the proper food, it will again lead to hair loss. So probably this would be my thing. Like even someone who is going through this hair loss journey and thinking for doing a hair transplant, आपको भी ये ध्यान रखना होगा कि after doing the hair transplant, you are maintaining a proper healthy lifestyle to balance it out. Let's say if you are doing the transplant, well and good for you. But if you maintain it, if you want to keep it and maintain it and at the same time sustain it for a long period of time, work-life balance, since someone who is working in corporate is absolutely required, with all the even this is something which is not about corporate, because nutrients, food, healthy खाना ही important है, because probably hair transplant आप एक ही बार करोगे, सब एक ही बार करते हैं, but the food and the nutrients that will decide whether it will, probably the hair loss will start again or not. So that is the reason work-life balance, even working in corporate, is required. But at the same time, make sure that you are having good food, good nutrients, and at the same time, keeping yourself fit and fine, even working in corporate as well. So now, जब मैंने देखा कि I have to go for a hair transplant because that is the only way out, because I was noticing that my hair was thinning and everything was happening very quick. तो मैंने, like, I think everyone will do it. So for me as a layman, what I'll do, I'll go in Google. मैं YouTube में जाऊँगा, मैं Google में जाऊँगा, I search for best hair transplant in the world. तो मैंने देखा, काफ़ी सारे रिसर्च किए. अगर आप भी करोगे YouTube में जा करके, द नंबर वन ऑप्शन you'll get to see कि हाँ, टर्की में बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, जो कि आएगा ही बिकॉज ऑफ YouTube में जो सर्च एल्गोरिदम्स होते हैं. Now I checked, it is back in the year 2015-2016. तो मैंने देखा, मैंने सर्च किया, उसी से I got to know more about hair transplant, कैसे होता है. बहुत सारे टेक्निक्स होते हैं. So earlier what I learned about going through the YouTube channels and the Google, that there are few techniques which was predominantly used back in the time, probably 2016, 17, 18. That is FUE, FUT and DHI. Those were the techniques. So these were the techniques. These are technical terms to be specific, but at the same time, मोटा तौर पे यही process use करके hair transplant किया जाता था. So that was my knowledge. Now, obviously, Turkey is an international part. If I have to do a transplant, I have to go to Turkey. तो मैंने देखा कि, and obviously the cost will also increase because we have to take the cost into consideration, right? It's just that we cannot take away the cost away from it, right? Because अगर बहुत पैसा होगा तो वो अलग चीज है, but since doing a hair transplant, cost is also we have to take into consideration. So I also checked some of the clinics and well-renowned clinics in India as well, and I checked. And from there I got to, and I landed onto our very home over here, that is QHT. And just to share the fun fact, when I noticed QHT clinic, when I watched some of the videos in YouTube about QHT, the subscriber was around 20,000. Just to give you the number, मैं आपको number बता रहा हूँ कि just to give you the number, कि subscriber was 20,000. Now that was way back in 2017-18. Now if you see today, 2025, the subscriber is around 3,26,000. Which what does it mean? Means kudos to the entire QHT team, right, for producing such wonderful and successful results. So yeah, अगर रिजल्ट हम लोग क्या देखेंगे, रिजल्ट पे बिलीव करेंगे ना, तो रिजल्ट देखें, बहुत सारे रिजल्ट्स देखें. सेलिब्रिटी लोग आके यहाँ पे हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट कर चुके थे. सो एवरीथिंग हैपेंड. आई मीन द डे बाय डे द कॉन्फिडेंस टू डू द ट्रांसप्लांट फ्रॉम हियर ग्रू मोर इन मी. सो वो करते करते बट आई चेक कि हाँ, आई केम ओवर हियर. राइट नाउ आई एम सिटिंग ओवर हियर. आई एम ओवर हियर इन QHT क्लिनिक. आके द फन फैक्ट अगेन, सो वो कहते हैं ना, देयर इज नो लिमिट टू लर्निंग. So earlier I used to know that there are only 3 techniques: FUE, FUT and DHI. After I came over here, I checked, and when I had one counseling session with one of our medical doctors, she also mentioned that one of the techniques, or the main important technique that QHT follows is the QHT, that is quick hair transplant, which itself goes by the name. आप name में भी, आप नाम से भी पता लगा लोगे. So QHT, that is quick hair transplant. For more detail, obviously the detailing shall be and will be disclosed by the doctor. But yeah, this is the most advanced form of hair transplant which I can tell you for sure. So yeah, that is the thing that I learned from here, and I'm happy that I'm doing a hair transplant by following the latest and the advanced technique. I think the main question we will all have in mind while doing a hair transplant is choosing a particular and choosing the right clinic for you. That is the question we all have in mind. मेरे दिमाग में भी वही सवाल था. So the question may come, or the question that I had in mind back in, let's say 2, 3, 4, 5 months back is why QST? Why not go for others, right? Why QST? यही क्यों? Because there are plenty of other clinics. If I even don't share, you can Google it out. Then why QST? And trust me, मैंने काफी सारे clinics obviously जा करके तो नहीं देखे, but at the same time I looked out in YouTube. I looked out for the reviews in Google. So I eventually checked it out by looking at the reviews, by looking at the YouTube results. Now, why QST? Why not others? First and important is results. Results speaks for itself. We cannot deny that. अगर आप कहीं पे देखोगे कि रिजल्ट आ रहा है तो सही काम हो रहा है. सिंपल सा बात है ना. रिजल्ट आ रहा है तो सही काम हो रहा है. I think the person which I talked to is my mother. I talked to my mom and she also mentioned, because she knew it. So she knew it. मेरा बहुत टाइम पहले से मम्मी के साथ डिस्कशन हो रहा था. So she knew it. I mean, she obviously, you know how mothers are. So they will know everything in the house, what is happening and what is not. Probably for in son's life, बेटे के लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, probably a mother will know everything, right? So मैंने माँ से डिस्कस किया, मेरी मम्मी ने, and she mentioned कि हाँ ऐसा होता है. She was probably back in the time in our parents time, probably ये सब नहीं था. Now since science has evolved, medical science has evolved in so many ways, this is possible. तो जैसे मैंने डिस्कस करा, उन्होंने कहा कि कहाँ से, where is it? Then I told her कि हाँ, I found a very great clinic or a renowned clinic. If you see कि राजपाल सर ने भी किया यहाँ से, तो मैंने उनको वीडियोस दिखाए बहुत सारे celeb, because she knew who Rajpal Yadav and everybody knew who Rajpal Yadav is. So बहुत सारे celebrity लोग यहाँ से हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट किए हैं. एंड इट्स नॉट अबाउट द सेलिब्रिटी. मैंने उनको ये भी बताया कि सबके लिए है. इट्स फॉर द कॉमन मैन, इट्स फॉर यू, इट्स फॉर एवरीवन. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ सेलिब्रिटी लोग ही करवा पाएंगे. एवरीवन इज पॉसिबल. एंड मोर सो ओवर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मदर्स आर, पैसा कितना लगेगा, राइट? Because though it's obviously it's my money I'll be paying off, but again, you know how mothers are. पैसा कितना लगेगा, बहुत ले लेगा क्या, right? So again, when I told her that बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, is very much within the range of such an amount कि आप पे कर सकते हैं, आराम से कर सकते हैं, कि बहुत ही हाई अमाउंट कुछ है. We generally even उस पैसे में कार भी नहीं आता है आज के डेट पे, अगर टेक्निकली बताया जाए तो. I'll not disclose the money, but again, by what I can share with all of you, उस पैसे में तो कार भी नहीं आएगा, कार का भी पास हो जाता है. And we all buy cars, right? So why not, since we are buying cars, why not invest in ourselves? Because I believe we should invest in ourselves, because we have to live with ourselves for lifetime, right? हमें अपने साथ जीना होगा for lifetime. So why not invest in ourselves? तो मैंने जिस तरीके से इनसे बताया, मैंने काफी सारे रिजल्ट्स दिखाए. And over the years, and this is not about 1 to 3 months results, मैंने YouTube में बहुत सारे results over the years मैंने दिखाए उनको. And she probably agreed to me and she said कि ठीक है बेटा कर ले. To keep it very honestly with all of you कि क्यों मैंने choose किया, क्या है क्या नहीं है, everything. So and yeah, that's all from my end as of now, and I will be now heading over to the next phases of my hair transplant, regarding the surgery, regarding the consultation, regarding framing of my hairline, which I'm very much excited about, to be very honest. And because that is everything, hairline designing and all, and उसके हिसाब से आपका look enhance होगा. So I'm very much excited for my next phases of journey. So thank you everyone, and I will see you all soon in the next video. Bye bye. Hey everyone, I'm back. So as you can see, I've completed my hair transplant in 2 days. As you can see, the technique which I've already mentioned and is there in the name, that is QHT, that is quick hair transplant, that has been used. And ये technique मैं पहले भी बता चुका हूँ, and if you can ask any of the doctors or anyone, is the advanced form of FUE, which they use it, and it's a very well renowned technique, and this have been following over the years. So as you can see, it has been completed. Now मेरे अब coming to my grafts, overall 5,000 grafts मेरे को लगे हैं from my front region to mid scalp to the overall crown. And yeah, I think that's all about as of now. And regarding the procedure, which I feel like probably any surgery or any operation, you will feel like a little bit of nervous, which I was, but that was before the anesthesia. Once the anesthesia was done, you'll feel nothing. आपको कोई feel नहीं होगा. You'll become numb, and at every time the doctors are there, the nurses are there, the staff attendants are there. They will be, I mean, they are ready to help you in each and everything. They are very much promiscuous in asking every question. If you need any water, if you want to go to the washroom, let's say if you want to have anything, if you want to, let's say, take a break for even 10 to 15 minutes, that is absolutely fine. It's not about कि आपका procedure, it will have to be over within a, let's say, a stipulated time. आप अपने तरीके से करो, even if you are letting, but I mean, even if you are having any kind of fear or any kind of pain, you can constantly ask the nurses and the doctors. They will always be there to help you out with your pain. And that's it. The process was very smooth. It was very, done precisely by the doctors. As you can see, this is just the after result of the hair transplant. So yeah, kudos to the QHT whole team. So now coming to the precaution, as you can see, I have completed my hair transplant. Obviously, after any transplant, or let's say not even transplant, after every surgery or any operation, you have to go through some of the precautions, which is, I mean, even if I don't say, we'll have to follow it as per prescribed by the doctors. So in terms of hair transplant, यहाँ पे भी precautions है. To in sum it up, आपको medicines लेने होंगे. Probably for the next 10 days, I cannot do hair wash. ठीक है? There will be a saline water. There is saline water and a lotion has been given. And for the area wherein the donor area जहाँ पे grafts निकाले गए थे, wherein there will be just a little bit of cream which would be applied for the next 5 days. And that is all about the next 5 days. Let's say for the next 30 days, after the 5 days, there are a lot of medicines, as you know. I mean, probably medication would help in enhancing our hair, right? It's done. I mean, if you see the hair transplant is done, it's all about the medication. How we follow it will eventually result in higher growth of our result, or the hair transplant growth or the results. So that is it. I mean, there are plenty of, little bit of medicines that are there. Probably will have to follow it. उसको आपको follow करना है time to time. कुछ खाने के बाद, कुछ खाने से पहले. All prescribed. All those medicines are prescribed by the doctors. They have already mentioned it then and there कि कैसे क्या follow करना है. And that's it. This is all about the precaution. When I completed my transplant, I got to visit the doctors and learned about the prescription or the medication that I have to follow. And after the medication, the most important and the exciting part is to look yourself in the mirror. Right? You don't know how you look, right? So you have to look yourself in the mirror. So when I look back in the mirror, probably a photograph session will be there. And before that, you can always have a look yourself in the mirror. So if you can see over in the camera, as this is the same look I looked in front of the mirror. So the hairline, everything, the hairline, the scalp, the crown, probably over here, if I look at the mirror, only the hairline would be visible, but I'm very much satisfied with the hairline. It's just that, yeah, if you can see, this is the grafts are placed. Grafts to ho chuka hai, isliye I can see, or you can see the hairline, but probably before that, when the hairline was being designed, then and there I was satisfied, because that was the exact kind of hairline I wanted, because I planned it कि हाँ मेरा hairline ऐसा होना चाहिए था. This is something which I planned way before when I was coming here from my location. So yeah, it's kudos to the team that they have perfectly nailed it in terms of the hairline, which I really wanted. And regarding, if you see some of the swelling part, that is natural. So that is natural. That is because of the fluid. Every anesthesia every anesthesia, everything, it will have some fluid. It's just that if you see the fluid doesn't come out in your face, it will be there for few days and it will go over. So this all about the hairline, and coming back to the expectation, if I have to talk about, because this is the final part, the expectation, right? Everything is done. The procedure is done. The fear which I had, that was also covered. So everything is done. Medication has been explained. The doctors are there, and so most importantly, which I forget to mention about that, any and every doubt that we have or I have, that will be entertained by each and every one over QST clinic over the next, let's say, whatever time period we have, let's say 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, 1 year. Whenever you have any doubt regarding anything, regarding the draft, regarding transplant, how to even wash, how to take the precaution, how to even take the medicine, at what time do you want to take the medicine, each and every doubt from A to Z. If let's say you don't remember, you can always go and talk to QST. Probably the QST will connect with the doctors, and then the doctors will then and there answer your query. So that is the most exciting part, that is the, what you can say, that the after service, which we call. The after service is absolutely required because of this kind of transplant or this kind of any surgery. The after service which is required, and that is why the QST clinic is renowned for, right? And that is the reason if you see a lot of reviews regarding the after service, how they connect with the patients on a daily basis, or if not in a weekly basis, to check how is it going, how is the progress and everything. So that is one part. And finally, in terms of the expectation, hoping to get a full head of hair, because as far my transplant goes, it was overall a good experience. And as you can see, and when I looked at the mirror, it was, I mean, the entire portion where I was having thinner hair, it was already covered with a lot of grafts. So probably expecting a lot of good result, hoping for that. And please hope and I want everyone to wish me the same. So yeah, regarding the feeling after the hair transplant, it's normal. It's absolutely normal. I mean, अगर आप जो भी कोई भी अगर आप ये वाला आप अडाप्ट कर रहे हैं हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट, अगर आप जब कंप्लीट करके आएंगे आपका प्रोसीजर, इफ इट इज विद इन 1 day or 2 days, doesn't matter, the feeling would be the same. You will be like, you can see me. I'm sitting here talking to you all, so it's just that as cool as you have started the day out. So आपका feeling वैसा ही रहेगा. It's just that sometimes a dizziness probably you can feel because of the anesthesia. Let me clear that. This is just because of the anesthesia and nothing else, and that is normal. That is normal for any surgery. If I have to talk about that, is normal for any surgery. So the feeling is absolutely good. It's a new day for the ones who are doing this for the first time, and it's a new day from the day it has been completed. So overall the feeling has been awesome, the feeling has been wonderful, and the feeling has been absolutely nothing sort of great, because you can talk, you can walk, you can eat, you can drink water. So I mean, what is changing? Nothing is changing, right? It's just that you have completed something and that's it. तो ये हुआ आपका फीलिंग आफ्टर द ट्रांसप्लांट. अगर आपको देखा जाए, अगर मेरे से आप पूछिएगा पर्सनली रिगार्डिंग सजेशन और रिगार्डिंग एनी रिकमेंडेशन, so probably for me this is something which I kind of felt, and this is what I followed. जब आपको लगे this is the time I have to do it, then do it. Please go ahead and do it. If I have to tell you honestly, if you तेल वेल लगाने से कोई medication is fine. तेल वेल लगाने से if hair would have been growing, then तेल लगाने से hair grow हो जाता, right? So that is a myth. हम तेल वेल हम लोग लगाते हैं is because of the fact that you keep your hair moist, you keep your hair healthy. That's it. अगर आपका hair loss है, and if it is on a heavy amount, probably go for the medication, consult with the QST clinic and the doctors. And why QST clinic? This would be one of the questions for you all, like for the viewers who are watching me. Why QST clinic? Like I mentioned, if you have seen in one of my earlier videos, because QST clinic is not about the ratings. Ratings are way more than it is required. I mean, it's above 4.8 something if you see in the Google. The results are awesome, right? So if you see in the YouTube, you can see the results. The reason I chose QST clinic is because of probably the price point. The second is obviously the result. The result is absolutely should be there, because we cannot select any clinic regardless of the price. अगर आपको बहुत कम पैसों में दिया जा रहा है and you are not checking about the result, then वो पैसा बेकार जाएगा, right? So probably that is the reason you have to check the results. You have to check the credibility of the doctors, right? You have to check how they are constantly uploading their videos, and obviously who all are doing the transplant from over here. If you see the great ones like Rajpal sir, Daya sir, if you see the celebrities are also choosing. They have plenty of money. They can choose any clinic. Why QST clinic? Then there is a reason behind it, right? The reason they are choosing because of the service. It's not because of them, for them, price is not the factor, right? They can pay any amount of money, but the reason they chose QST clinic is because of the factor, or is because of the only factor, because that is the service the QST clinic is providing, the doctors, their credibility, the way the results are producing. That is more important than the after service, which is also very important. So if I have to give you n number of lists, it will take a day. So the reason I chose to sum it up is about the results, it's about the credibility of the doctors, medication, after service, and the likes of the celebrities they are doing. Because I realize that probably they have a lot of money. They can choose any and every clinic in the entire world, but they chose QST clinic in India, which is in Haridwar. Probably we have already 2 other branches, but yeah, this is the first and the foremost branch. That is where QST clinic started, but they chose this one, and you can see the results even. So probably the results are not lying, right? So that is the reason. And yeah, I think QST clinic is absolutely wonderful with the service. Regarding the price point, is something which even I have discussed previously, that कोई भी afford कर सकता है, to be very honest. कोई भी आम आदमी से लेकर के सेलिब्रिटी कोई भी afford कर सकता है. The price point is not a fixed point, it's not a fixed price, which you have to, when you discuss with the counselor, they will provide you more details to it. But in short, what I can say, that is for the common people as well, is for the celebrity as well. So it's for everyone, right? Everyone can avail this service, and they are very much flexible with their service. Let's say if you want to discuss regarding the price point here and there, talk to the counselors. They will help you out for sure. That is probably you can take my word. So that is absolutely sure that they will help you out for sure. It's not about the price point for them as well. They are also thinking of how they can provide or change lives for the better. Their purpose is more than what I have noticed and what I have felt in these 2 days of journey. Their purpose is more than the money. It's all about the changing lives. It's all about changing someone's look. It's all about building confidence which someone has been lacking over the years. So this is something which is priceless, which cannot be counted in money. So yeah, I think that's all about the price point. And anything regarding any question, any suggestion, any recommendation, probably I have already said it in my video. And always please do reach out to the QST clinic. Their numbers are there you can find it in Google, you can find it in YouTube. Probably you can give it a call. They will call back. They are 24/7 available. If you are someone watching this video from, let's say, outside of India, international, just give it a call. They will be very much promptuous in their reply. So every time, if you have any doubt, if you want a counselation done by the QST clinic, have a word with them. They will reply within let's say a few seconds. And that's it. That's all about my journey from start to finish till hair transplant. So फिर मिलते हैं in my first PRP session. Bye bye.
Hello friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get update on every video.